Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through a simple method to change the color of eyes in a photo. It's an easy process with impressive results, allowing you to transform eye color to any shade you prefer. We'll be using an app called Snapseed. Let's get started. First, open Snapseed on your device and import the photo you want to edit. I'll be using this beautiful eye photo that I downloaded from Pexels. You can also find the download link for this image in the description. Now, the first step is to open the Tools menu and apply a black and white filter to the photo. Keep it neutral for now. Next, tap on the stack icon, looks like 3 lines, and select View Edits. Find the black and white adjustment and then tap on the brush tool. Using the brush tool, carefully brush over the part of the eye that you want to change the color of in this case. It's the brown part. Next, go back to the Tools menu and select Tune Image. Now, adjust the color of the eye. Tap on Warmth and swipe from right to left to choose the desired shade of blue or any other color you prefer. Once you've adjusted the color, repeat the process by tapping on the stack icon, selecting View Edits, then Tune Image, and using the brush tool again to precisely apply the color change over the eye area. Attention to detail here will ensure a professional-looking result. After you're satisfied with the brushing, save the edited photo to your gallery. And there you have it. Changing eye colors in photos is that simple with Snapseed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Your support means a lot.